Assalamualaikum. My name is Azim and my partner Fusaini Mazlan. In this video, we are going to talk about well-known scientists in marine science. This video is made for our lovely lecturer, Professor Madya Dr. Nafisa Othman. Okay, without wasting a time, I'm going to pass it to my partner Fusaini to start our first topic.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hussaini bin Mazlan. Okay, what actually do marine scientists do? A marine scientist study ocean ecology and ocean life. People in this career often spend time performing research in a laboratory or in the field to understand the natural conditions of the ocean and its wildlife. So, you must think, how can we become a marine scientist? Okay, students learn through a mixture of lecture, lab work, and field work. They may major in a particular area of marine science, such as ocean chemistry or ocean biology. A bachelor's degree, which typically takes 4 years to complete, is the minimum degree level of marine science. So, there is not easy to be a marine scientist. There is a list of well-known scientists, which the first one is Hans Haas, Charles Darwin, Osamu Shimomura, Jacques Yves Cousteau. So, who is Hans Haas? Hans Haas was born on January 23, 1919, died on June 16, 2013. Hans Haas origin from Vienna, Austria. Hans Haas was an Austrian biologist who pioneered underwater diving. He is also well known for popularizing coral reef, stingray, octopus, and shark. He was pioneer in the making of underwater documentary and assisted in the development of salt revealer. He also well known for his energon theory and commitment to environmental protection. He has done four popular films from 70 television films and released more than 25 books. The first award is the first prize of Chancellor for the best movie idea for an Australian propaganda film in 1949, and the last award was a corn snail found in the Philippines was named after him, which is Protoconus Hans Haas in 2012. Isn't it interesting what have he done? I think Hans Haas is one of the marine scientists that is underrated because he's not well known like Albert Einstein. However, I think he really give a lot of impacts through his research and his film. By his film, he already met a lot of young peoples or young students who want to know about marines, and give the students and the kids want to know about the marines and what is marine scientists do. Charles Darwin was origin from Shrewsbury, Shropshire, England. Charles Darwin is one of the, we'll say, a legend in the marine science because he's probably one of the early marine scientists. So, who is Charles Darwin? Charles Darwin was an English naturalist, geologist, and biologist. Charles Darwin is also widely known for his natural selection hypothesis. It served as the cornerstone for modern evolutionary theory, and this theory was detailed in Darwin's Lemma essay on the origin of species, which published in 1859. People were hesitant to accept natural selection as the driving force behind evolution. However, the notion of evolution became widely accepted after Darwin's death, because a lot of friends of Charles Darwin fight for this, for what have Charles Darwin do, and eventually the world right now is accept what Charles Darwin do. Okay, I just want to say something in my slides. I want to say about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is one of the greatest physicians and mathematicians in this world. Albert Einstein loved to sail a boat. However, he cannot master to sailing a boat. He already borrows a boat when he is a teenager in Switzerland, and he also have a boat from his friend, which his friend gave to him when he's 50. However, the boat is 23 foot ship, I think, However, he cannot handle it because Albert Einstein cannot master how to sail. So whenever you go out in sailboat and manage to avoid crashing into something, and not to mention sailing your boat in the direction you want to, you already have done something what Albert Einstein could not do. So I just want to say that maybe Albert Einstein is good in physics and mathematics, and maybe I'm not good and my friend is not good about it, or you guys are not good in something. Go find what you want to do. Go find what you want and what you can do. I believe that if you really love something, you can do it. Even though Albert Einstein cannot understand how to sail, I believe we don't need to have a great IQ like Albert Einstein to sail. Alright, that's all from me. So to the next generation who have seen my video and my partner videos, I just want to say that if you guys want to learn about marines, you go for it, because it is some things that amazing and give a beautiful impact to our world right now. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Fusani. For my part, I'm going to talk about Osamu Shimomura, a Japanese professor, organic chemist, and also a marine biologist. He got award of the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2008 for his discovery of glowing jellyfish protein that is now widely used in biomedical research. He was born on August 27, 1928 and died on October 19, 2018. His origin is from Fukushima, Kyoto, Japan. Okay, what have he done until get Nobel Prize? It's all started when he isolated the protein in sample of thousands of jellyfish taken from the US West Coast with the help of his wife Akemi. And then he discovered a protein known as green fluorescent protein, GFP, that lets off a glow when it is illuminated with ultraviolet light and has become a key tool in studying biological processes in cell. With the aid and help of GFP, researchers have developed ways to watch processes that were previously invisible, such as the development of nerve cells in the brain or how cancer cells spread. GFP can act as indicator for detect the presence of the brain's cancer cells. Okay, let's move to the next marine scientist named Jacques Yves Cousteau. He is a French naval officer, explorer, conservationist, filmmaker, and scientist, as well photographer, author, and researcher who study the sea and all form of life in water. He is a inventor and CEO developer of first fully automatic aqualung. Okay, he was born on June 11, 1910 and died on June 25, 1997. His origin is from Paris, France. Okay, who is him and what does he have done? Jacques Cousteau together with Emily Gagnon and then they developed the first fully automatic aqualung which has allowed prolonged sea diving, including diving to considerable depth and allowed divers to swim freely underwater for extended period of time. This is a picture of the aqualung and now widely used for the scuba diving activity. Okay, Jacques has participated in underwater research project and has also started experimenting with underwater filmmaking. He used his talent in storytelling to bring his marine research to life in numerous books and film. His most famous work is probably The Silent World, a film based on his book. He has traveled around the world on his famous ship named Calypso and made several world famous movies and TV series popularizing marine research. He has also founded the non-profit organization named the Cousteau society that devote to ocean conservation. After his death in 1997, his legacy is continued by his son, Jean-Michel Cousteau. The Cousteau then contribute to marine biology in the development of aqualung and several other inventions that have made scuba diving possible until now. The Cousteau is the non-profit organization that I just mentioned just now. Okay, that's all for the marine scientists. In the conclusion, well-known marine scientists become famous despite of their effort with their specialist skill to help the world overcome certain targeted problems with their specifically solution. Thus, we all have to get inspired with all the noble and valuable effort and services from our scientists in advancing our science technology in this world, because they are all willing to contribute their expertise and skill to the marine science technology. I think that's all from us. Thank you for watching our video.